to my channel. My name is Carmen. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. Today we're going to be unboxing a box that has never been unboxed on my channel. It is a first for my channel, and it is... Hold on, I gotta grab it because it's a big one. Ta-da! Fab Fit Fun for the month of... No, not for the month, I'm sorry. For the fall season. Okay. Fab Fit Fun is a $49.99 a quarter subscription. You get one spring, summer, fall, and winter. And this one is the fall one. You can get customizations. It'll let you choose certain things where you can choose you want this or you want that or different things. It's really cool what all you can do with it, and I really like it. And in this box, okay, because it's new, we're going to look at this together. Oh, wow, that's really pretty the way it's packaged. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to put this because I've got a lot of stuff on my desk, or on my makeup table in front of me, but let's go for this. See what it says. Pass this on to a friend who would love Fab Fit Fun. You are invited. Are you ready for the next most exciting event of the season? RSVP and receive $15 off your first box. That's $200 plus value for $34.99. And I'll put this in the description down below with that code right there, so y'all too can sign up for your own Fab Fit Fun if you so want one. Alright, the first thing I see in here, other than all the packaging, is a HelloFresh #1 meal kit, $80 gift card for $20 off your first 4 deliveries, plus free shipping. $80 gift card's pretty good, and I have a ton of these, so that's going to help out a lot, because I've got probably like $100 worth of free cards now. I've never tried it. I would cook just whatever I want to cook, but I'll try it. We'll see what it's all about. I mean, I can try it anyway. We'll see. Let's see. Here's another one. I was looking for the other one. Here's a $50 gift card. There's $130 right there. I'll try it. Can't hurt to try. Okay, guys. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Again, I'll show you the box. Everything is nicely packaged in there. It's held together with a little sticker that says, "Share to win Fab Fit Fun." Pardon me while I try to get into this box. Holy Moses, that thing is packed. Look at that. Y'all see that? It is just packed full of goodies. Let's get in here and see what all we've got. Wow. Okay. First thing I'm seeing is Wander Beauty's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I got these in BoxyCharm, and I don't remember when. Oh my god, I loved them. They were good little eye masks, but I only got like 2. So this isn't this. I don't see anything here that says what the prices are. I got 1, 2, 3, 6 masks. That is awesome. And these are just the under eye masks. You just put these right here. It's the only place you need them is just right there underneath your eye. Those are really cool. I like those. So I'm gonna put those back so I can put them away. I don't know why I don't have them. I thought there was a thing in here that would tell me the price of everything, but I don't see one. That's okay. I don't mind. I mean, I'm sure everything in here is quite valuable. I know it is. I know Fab Fit Fun is a very valuable box. So it always has a lot of work to it. The next thing I'm seeing in here, I'm trying not to get everything mixed up, is the hair towel. The After Spa Heat and Frizz Free Dry. I'm guessing this is like a turban you put on your head after you wash your hair. Kind of, just put it on there so your hair will dry. That's pretty cool, especially if it's without frizz, because my hair is frizzy all the time. I don't know why, but I have very frizzy hair, and I deep condition the hell out of it, and it's still so incredibly frizzy. It drives me nuts. Let's get into this thing and see what this is all about. Oh, that's really cute. Again, I can't put this box down because I don't know anywhere to put it right now, so let's see. Oh, that's cute. I guess you would kind of like... Yeah, okay. Hold on, I'll show y'all. No, this is not the blooper reel. This is the dummy reel. Hold on. Take my glasses off. Okay, I'm being my normal stupid self. Okay, so you do that. Twist it around. And then you just put this back like this. And then it'll hold somehow. I don't know how it holds. I'll figure it out later. But you kind of get the idea. It goes on your hair like that. Or on my face like I just did. That's pretty cool. Sorry about that. That was a mess up. Okay, that made my hair just even worse. But that's okay. Moving on. I have... Oh, hello. We were talking about my hair being so damaged. Damage Ready. Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair. Protects from Heat Styling by Aveda. I do straighten my hair with a hair straightener quite a bit, except for when I go to work. I wear it up in a ponytail most of the time. Unless it washes and just happens to look good that day. Again, that's by Avita. That's a damage remedy. That is pretty cool. Oh, no safety seal, but that's okay. That smells really good. I can't wait to try that and tell you what it's like. So, close this. I like that. I'm going to set that down. I got some on my legs. That's good. Ooh. Humankind. Skincare with a conscience. Vegan and cruelty-free. Score! Never heard of Humankind. It is a lightly whipped for ultimate in kindness. It's a light and fluffy body souffle. It's quickly absorbed to leave the skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. And again, that's called Humankind. Let's sniff this and see what it's all about. I get the outer safety seal off. It's pretty cool. I've never seen an outer safety seal. Most of them have an inner. Okay, that one doesn't open, so never mind. I can't smell it. Well, it looks like regular lotion. Oh, my stars. That smells amazing. Skincare with a conscience. Oh, I like it. It smells so good. My arms are so dry that that's like perfect for them. Oh, man, that smells good. Y'all just don't have a clue. If you get Fab Fit Fun, you will. That smells really good. I like that. Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. It has apricot, shea butter, and the other stuff, water, ethyl hexate stearate, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, glycerol stearate, citrate, and some words that I can honestly say I cannot pronounce. But it says natural and no animal testing, suitable for vegans, ethically sourced and paraben free. And oh, it's from Ireland. Okay. It's out of Ireland. That's really cool. I like that stuff. It smells good. Let's move on to this box. There's more. A lot more. The Better Skin Company Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub and Mask. I don't even know how to get into this thing. This thing's like wrapped up tighter than Fort Knox. Trying not to cut myself because that would be really detrimental to me. Being that I live my life on a blood thinner, yeah. That would be bad. Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Oh, how cute. That smells pretty good. It's like, it looks like sorbet, almost. But what I was thinking was cute, which I can't get. Okay, it's like a little spatula. You put it up and you just put it on your skin. I like that. That's pretty interesting. It looks pretty cool. Again, I don't know the prices on these. I don't know what they retail for. I'm so sorry, you guys. But that is the Better Skin Company, Better Skin Lava Magic. And again, I'll show it to you. Get it over here. There you go. So let's move on in this box. Itching. Juice Cleanse by Harper Re. Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Interesting. Let's sniff these. Ooh, those smell good. They smell like a melon. They smell really good. I'm not sure how you use them though, so let's look. Take a single cube with you in the shower and bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended to use twice a week. There's 8 of them. It's not bad. I can see where that would work. That smells really good. I like those. And again, that's called, it's Juice Cleanse. Okay, there goes my ring light again. Exfoliate by Harper Re. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to get that into focus. There you go. So, not a bad product. We're going to go on because we're not done yet. The next thing I see in here is, oh, this looks pretty. This is some sort of clothing or think. I don't know. We'll have to find out together. Oh, yeah, this is the one I hoped for. The plush, stay warm and stylish, ultra soft plaid scarf. I love scarves. It does not get cold enough here in Texas for me to really need a scarf, but I like to wear them regardless of whether it's cold. Well, I only wear them when it's cold, I mean, obviously. But, I mean, even if it's not like ice cold, which most of the time it's not, ever. And we get below, we never get below freezing, but we do get cold. That is really pretty. That's only half of it, of course. I gotta open it up wide. That's really pretty. This is so pretty. It's a beautiful scarf. I don't wear mine like that, obviously. I wear mine kind of like, I'll show you how to wear a scarf. I usually just tie it down the center and kind of wear it like that, like cowl-necked. That is really pretty. It is so soft. I mean, it is like pashmina soft, if those of you that know what pashmina is. And it is 70% polyester and 30% viscous. I'm surprised if it's polyester and it's that soft. That is really soft and so pretty. I love navy blue. Any shade of blue is my favorite, navy blue especially, so I like that. Okay, one more thing, guys, I think. Oh, yep, that's the end of the box now. Okay, and last but not least is, oh, cool. I got a new lunch kit by Kate Spade. That's pretty cool. Let's check out this little lunchbox by Kate Spade. I like lunchboxes because I do carry my lunch to work, so yeah. That's pretty cool. It's not fabric like it looks. It's actually like a, and it even says out to lunch. Can y'all see that? That's so cute. And it is a Kate Spade, New York, so I'm sure this was not just a cheap little bag, obviously. Kate Spade's not cheap. And sadly, this is the poor woman that committed suicide, so it's really sad. She made a honest little lunch bag. Not trying to be ugly, but I mean, seriously, it is a nice bag. And then there's the inside of it. That's pretty cool. I like that. That'll make a perfect little lunchbox for work. As long as nobody walks off with it, of course. But my lunchbox usually stays with me at the nurse's station, underneath my desk or in a drawer by my purse, and then, or I can just eat and then throw it in the car afterwards, because my car goes with me everywhere I go, so, yeah. So there's that. Y'all now see my little lunchbox. That is really cute. I like that. So, that's everything I got in my Fab Fit Fun. All that was left in my Fab Fit Fun box was confetti, and more paper confetti. And yeah, before my dogs decide that confetti is fun, or paper confetti is fun, I'm going to close that up. So again, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you did, if you like this kind of video. If there's a box you want me to unbox, let me know, and I'll see what I can do, okay, guys? So I'm going to get ready to go. I've got some more videos to do. Otherwise, y'all have a great day and take care. Besos.